Sean! Sean! Sean, wait up! Buddy! Sean, come back! Sean! It's useless. Let's just go back to the kitchen.
I was just trying to tell Sean that I could have made a treat from the diner too. Like, instead of tracking down Camila Cabello again, I could just made you a treat, Sean. I'm actually tired. Guys, if you haven't heard, Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello have a new track, Senorita, which is out now. This is like their second collaboration, and I mean, can they just date already? Like, we all know what you did last summer, and now this summer, like, yeah, it's a little thing. Now, this song is definitely one of those, like, sexy Spanish songs, even though, like, most of the words are in English. And, okay, Sean sings, "I love it when you call me Senorita." Does he? Like, that's like Miss. Should it be like Senor? But kind of weird, but whatever. Just saying. Now, the music video plot is basically this guy, Sean, goes into this diner, sees Camila, the waitress, and then Sean kind of like tracks her down, and then they fall in love. But we all know they're already in love, so. So today we are going to be making a very traditional Mexican dessert. It's gonna be flan, you know, like the custard with like the caramel sauce on the top. That's what we're gonna make. I just thought it was very fitting for Senorita. And the ingredients for this recipe are 1.5 cups of evaporated milk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first thing we want to do is prepare our custard-like base. This will be basically the whole flan itself. And we're gonna start by cracking in 3 eggs. We dance for hours in the sun to kiss our eyes. After you've cracked in your eggs, whisk it up. Now, a flan isn't a flan without your evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk. Just like Sean is not Sean without... Oh! Sean can't write a song. Wait, how's that one song go? I can't write one song. Yeah, Sean can't write a song that's not about you. Yeah, maybe. Is that you, Camila Cabello? I feel like it is. Add in your evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk and whisk that up as well. Our flan base is almost done, so let's add in our vanilla extract and mix it up. I set our base for the flan off to the side, and now we can work on our caramelized sugar that's gonna go over the top. It's actually gonna go on the bottom, but when you flip it over, it'll be on the top. To do this, we're gonna take our cup of sugar and a small saucepan and bring it over to the stove. On medium-low heat, add in all of your sugar, stirring occasionally until it starts to caramelize and turn brown. Once your sugar is completely liquidy and fully brown, remove from the heat and bring it back to your workstation. This process takes about 7 to 10 minutes. I took our sugar off the stove here. It has caramelized and liquefied. And over here I've got our flan base. Now, to prepare this flan, I've also got a flan pan, but you could use whatever pan you'd like, a springform pan. Anything really will work. You might want to grease it, however, though. And this is an 8-inch round flan pan. I'm gonna pour in our sugar mixture to the bottom, and then pour on our flan right on top. My flan pan comes with a lid. You could also use tin foil if you don't have this, but I'm just gonna like latch this together. Now, when we're cooking our flan, we want to cook it in a water bath along with the oven, but I'm gonna place mine into a glass pan here that's bigger than our flan itself. I've put about 1 inch of water in it. This is just gonna act as a water bath. Very sexy. Maybe add some like rose petals. Ooh, senorita. I just like saying that word. Place your flan pan into the water bath. And now we want to pop this into the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. And then when it comes out of the oven, we're going to let it cool completely. Our flan is out of the oven. I gave it time to cool, flipped it over, did a little like flip the plate to make it like this. So it comes out with the caramel on the top. Now we basically just made flan, and I wanted to give it a little bit more of a senorita vibe. So I actually just wrote the words Senorita from the single art out of some white chocolate, and I used a template, which I'm thinking about it, like, it's really just like squiggly lines. Like, I feel like that was all it was. But I am gonna place that onto the middle of our flan. And here we have it, our Senorita Inspired Flan that we made today in honor of Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello's new song. This is a super simple recipe. You saw how easy it was. It was only just a few ingredients. It just kind of takes a little bit of time with like waiting in the oven and coming out, but I guarantee you it's worth it. This looks so good, like ooh la la la, it's true la la la. And you can get creative and add some more things to this if you'd like. We just topped ours with the Senorita like text out of white chocolate. You could maybe, if you're dancing for hours in the sand, you could maybe add some like tequila, whatever makes you happy. If you do happen to make this though, please share with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another celebrity sweets, please leave those down in the comments below as well. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Camila Cabello, Shawn Mendes, Senorita, wants a flan recipe, anything you saw in today's video. And let's try to hit 100 subscribers, please. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a motorcycle to go catch, so I'll leave this here for Shawn if he ever stops by. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.